All right, guys. Well, guess what? You can now use your phone to get started with Amazon's palm reading tech. That's right. I did not make this up. You can use your phone to get started with the palm reading tech. It allows for payments at Whole Foods stores and other retail locations. And what I mean by that, you're going to use your phone to set up your hand, as you can see right there, and then you can start making payments just by using your hand. Now, this is how the story reads. They say Amazon, they just launched an app that lets people sign up for its palm recognition services without having to head to an in-store kiosk. Now, the Amazon One app basically says it uses a smartphone's camera to take a photo of a palm print to set up an account. Now, once signed up, you can pay for stuff by using just your hand. And they said now you don't have to use your smartphone and tap. You don't have to have cash, or you don't have to use your credit card. You can just use your hand. I can't make this up. This is really happening. This is like we're really starting to live in the George Jetson days, right? And they're saying that this technology uses generative AI to analyze a palm's vein structure, turning the data into a unique numerical vector representation, which is recognized by scanning machines at retail locations. Now, you'll have to add a payment method within the app to get started and upload a photo of your ID for the purpose of age verification, but the app launches for iOS and Android, and then you had to, before to use this technology, you had to go into a location that had an Amazon One kiosk, but now you can actually do it on your phone. Now, they're saying beyond payments, tech is also used as an age verification tool as a way to enter concerts, sporting events without having to bring along a ticket. Now, once you give your hand or your palm print, basically you have access to each and every Whole Foods grocery store throughout the country. And they're also saying Amazon One payments are also accepted at some Panera Bread locations. And they're also available in airports, stadiums, and convenience stores. All right. Now, there's some concerns. That's what people are saying. There are some concerns here. And they're saying, what about security, right? That's what they're worried about. They're like, how secure is this? But Amazon is saying passwords can change, but palms cannot, because you have that unique identifier in your fingerprint, right? They says Amazon says that all uploaded palm images are encrypted and are sent to an Amazon One domain in the Amazon Web Service Cloud. And they said the company also says that the app includes additional layers of spoof detection, noting that it's not possible to save or download palm images to the phone itself. Reeves, I gotta ask the audience before I ask your thoughts on this. I gotta ask them. Do you think Amazon One has something? Like, do you think they have something on your phone? Oh my God, this is amazing. Hold up. 2, technology is getting out of hand. 3, it's better for them to license this technology. Or 4, I'm not ready for any of this. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let us know in the comments, what do you think of Amazon's One palm technology? Are you willing to scan your hand? It's the Lab Tech Show. Join us Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern at thelabtechshow.com. Embrace it or get left behind.
Alrighty then.